All right, today I went and got a bunch of the scrap that I have left over, various types of wood, walnut, cherry, red oak, a few other ones. And we're just gluing this up to make one solid piece of wood. And we're just, arranging it whatever pattern. It's all going to change up later anyways. Now that everybody looked down at their phone because they thought they got a message, we clamped it up, let it dry, unclamping it now, and I'm gonna run it over the jointer, get that one face flat, and then we're gonna run it through the planer to get it down to the thickness that I want it at. All right, here we're on the table saw now. I got my crosscut sled out and we're squaring up the edges. And right here I drew a line on my crosscut sled just so I could cut these pieces quick and consistently. Okay, here, so cut those out, and now what we did is every other one I just flipped it. So it made more of a chaotic type pattern. Or should I say a consistently chaotic pattern. And just clamping this up. And now I'm just getting all the glue off. Just a little wet rag helps get the glue off. And by the way, I failed to mention, I use TITEBOND 3 glue. It's supposed to be water resistance and holds up a little bit better under wet conditions. And here I'm just sanding. I didn't show all the sanding I did because it's just monotonous. And here I'm putting in the little groove, little finger groove, and just used a couple blocks there so I could consistently get the correct distance on both sides. And I made, I think, 3 passes. I didn't want to take it all out at one time. A little bit harder on the blades if you do it like that. And here I'm just adding mineral oil. Mineral oil is going to be food safe. And it looks really shiny right now, but after letting it soak in, applying a couple more coats and drying it off, it is kind of more of a satin finish rather than shiny like that. And then I'm putting the rubber feet on the bottom, and use like the smallest bit I had to get the caliper going. Came back with a little bit larger bit. This way I wouldn't split the wood, especially being so close to the edge, and also doing it almost right on the glue line. It came out pretty nice. I'm very happy with it, and look forward to making many more. And please subscribe, share, like, comment, whatever. Appreciate it. Thank you very much, y'all.